Okay, gonna go open 13. It says, I hope you're having fun so far. Thank you again, my friend from afar. LOL. Again, like I said, she is so good at the whole rhyming, the cute little poems and stuff that she writes. Ooh, okay. She must really know that I love Makeup Revolution. I'm so excited. Makeup Revolution has, the last month, has hugely become one of my all-time favorite makeup brands. This right here looks like, look how gorgeous that is. This looks like it's going to be a dupe for like the Huda Beauty palettes. The bright ones. Yas. Let's open this up. You can't even tell what colors are in here because of how bright this packaging is. But it's called Neon Shadow Palette, Not a Dream. I'm thinking that it's going to be orange shades. Huh? Oh my gosh. So some orange, some pink. Yes! I mentioned in my pumpkin spice, my Too Faced pumpkin spice palette video, I did swatches and stuff like that. This totally reminds me of that. I mentioned that these colors right here, for some reason this year, like pinks and oranges and stuff like that, have totally been just like my favorite. I don't know why. I'm not gonna swatch this because I want to do a full video on this. I love Makeup Revolution. I don't have any of these palettes. So look how stunning that is. Okay, this makes me so freaking excited. I am going to try to do a full face of Makeup Revolution. This might be in there, this might not. I might do a full separate video on this. Yeah, I even used my Makeup Revolution Tea Tree Soothing Essential Spray today, and I really like this. I just love Makeup Revolution. I'm looking around to see if I used anything Makeup Revolution today, and I didn't, but I was about to use the contour. She does me so well, and I don't know how she did it, though, but every makeup product that she has gotten me so far, and I love that this box has been very, like, makeup heavy, because when we did our swap last time, there wasn't, like, too much makeup in it. Not that I need any more makeup, but she has gotten me things that I haven't even tried yet. I think there was, like, 1 or 2 things so far that I did try before, but I don't have the product anymore, so I'm excited to try again. But she's just done so good of not getting me, like, repeats of products. So that just goes to show how she actually watches my videos and kind of knows what I have, you know. So Riri, you're amazing. Thank you. And I'm excited to open the rest of them up. But obviously, gotta wait till the actual day comes. So I will see you guys tomorrow, December 14th. Hey guys, happy December 14th. My hair is a frizz ball because I just got out of the shower. But it is nighttime, obviously, and I didn't open my little thing up. So it says, number 14, listen and edit your videos with ease. Life is a little easier with these. She's so freaking cute. I have an idea that these are headphones. Oh, yes! Seriously, it is so crazy to me how she has just, look at this. I mean, it's kind of hard for you guys to see. She has nailed everything that she has put in this box. I have been borrowing Matt's headphones because I can't find my wireless headphones anywhere. And, ooh, this has an inline microphone and volume control. Noise isolating design. Oh my gosh. And I love how she knows that she knows that I see it. See? They're headphones. What? She knows that I edit on my phone. It's cool. This is cool. It comes with a protective case too. She knows I edit on my phone, so it's so nice to have an extra pair of these. It's nice to have one upstairs. It's nice to have one downstairs, and I can stop by borrowing Matt's. Riri, it freaks me out sometimes how well you know me. Thank you so much. I love you. Alright, it's day 15. Happy birthday to Hunter. We just had a small little get together for him, so I'm going to open this one up. It's number 15, favorite colors back to back. Yep, purple and black. Girl, I love how she remembered my favorite colors. I'm thinking that this is going to be nail polish, which if it is, I'm okay with that because this girl likes black nail polish. But if it's makeup, I'm okay with that. Sorry, I'm opening something real quick.
Oh.
Jeez, you okay?
Get that corner a little tight.
Yay! It is nail polish. I needed another black nail polish. Oop, that one was almost open. Ooh, Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I love this brand. Look how pretty that purple is. Okay, I'm totally going to be doing my nails. These two colors, like one black, one purple, one black, one purple. That's going to be like the prettiest colors together. So excited. Thank you. Hey guys. I must be like super behind. It's been a pretty crazy day and a crazy last few days. And I have not opened day 16, 17, and 18. And today is December 18th. So we're going to open all these together. So this is 16. It has a cute little Christmas tree. Believe me, I always think about, hey, I need to open it. Then I always think that I've opened it already. And looks like I just have it. This is the Morphe Beauty Sponge. It's the highlight and contour sponge. And I have one of these. I'm pretty sure I have, maybe it's a different, maybe if it's a different one. But I have a Morphe sponge and I absolutely love it. So, to me, even if I had, my makeup looks a hot mess, so don't mind it. It's been, like I said, a long day, so don't mind my face. I'm about to wipe my makeup off. But even if I have the sponge already, sponges, if someone gets you a sponge, be happy about it, especially when you love beauty blenders. When you love beauty blenders like me, it's important to, when it starts kind of shredding up after a few months, to replace it. So I'm excited to have another one. Number 17 says, cleaning brushes is a pain. It's true. Hopefully this can help you. She's so cute. Ooh, this looks like a cleaning brush set from, I don't know what brand this is. I'm excited though. This is, ooh, okay, I've never seen this brand before. It comes with the little instructions on the inside. Oh, cool. Okay. So this is the product. This is professional grade Cinema Secrets. Ooh, I think I've actually heard good things about them. 99.99% bacteria free, quick drying, rinse free formula. Oh, okay. I'm okay with that. And it comes with a little tin that you can put it in. So, and then it comes with some directions. So I'm excited. I have a few makeup brushes I want to clean, and I will try this out. I'll be sure to put that in a Vlogmas video of me trying that out. And then number 18. One of my faves. Hope you like it too. I'm so blessed to have a friend like you. She is seriously so damn cute, and I love her little rhymes. Ooh, okay. The Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. I do have this, and I do love this so much. We told each other if we did get something that we already have or something that we wouldn't use, we can re-gift it. So I will definitely do that with this, just because I do have the matte one and the hydrating one, and it's not something that I'm going to go through like super fast. So this will be a great gift to give for one of my makeup friends. So I'm happy with everything. I love you, girl, and I will see you I'll see you tomorrow in a few seconds on day 19. It's December 19th, so here's number 19. It says, almost there. This one is for your hair. We all know that I need some help with my crazy hair. Cute! Oh, this is the Paparazzi brand, and I love Paparazzi brand. I've never seen them have hair like flowers like this. What? Oh my gosh, freaking cute. This totally reminds me of when I was like 16. I was obsessed with like hair bows. Okay, I'm going to have to do some research because I can make this hair like this. I can make this look freaking cute. I'm pretty sure I just got a blue shirt that it would match. Thank you. Okay, cute. I didn't know. I didn't know paparazzi had stuff like that. Freaking cute. I love it. Thank you, girl. Okay, so Matt is listening to his audiobook upstairs and I'm not going to bother him. I've been doing so bad. I haven't even opened, let's see. It's been, I guess I opened up number 19. Yeah, I opened up number 19. What day is this? Yeah, so I opened up number 19, so we're going to open up number 20 through 25, because today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, everyone. This says, pretty hands with ease. I think you'll like these. Ooh, again, her little, rhymes and stuff are so cute. Ooh, yes, these are so freaking pretty. Look, you guys know I love my nails. These are gorgeous. I'm definitely going to have to clip them because I can't do the long pointy nails. But those are stunning. I'm so excited about those. Okay, number 21. Yes. Okay, came in this cute little bag. Let me just show you. And this is the It Cosmetics CC Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream in the shade Light. I'm pretty sure I have the CC cream upstairs. Is it the CC cream or is it the BB cream? I'm not sure. Anyway, I know this stuff works amazing, so I'm excited to have another one. This is Pillow Plump XXL from Soap and Glory. I'm wondering if I've used this one or not because I love plumping products, and I don't know if this is one that hurt my lips or not. I'm going to have to try it again, and we'll see, but that's awesome. I love, you know me. You guys, I love makeup products. So, let's go into number 22. Ooh, please tell me that's a dry. Oh, it's a texture spray. Okay, I'm excited. So, cute little bag, 22. This is the NYX Dewy Finish. Ooh, I don't have this setting spray, and I love little sample sizes like this, guys. I feel like it just makes me use it more. I don't know what it is about it, so I love dewy setting sprays. So excited to try that. And then this is the Amica Undone Volume and Matte Textured Spray. Ooh, I have totally been into sprays like this, and I love this packaging. So, ooh, and that smells so good. It smells exactly like the hair care product that I'm using from them. Look how pretty that bottle is. Yes. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Okay. So, number 23. Yes, I totally almost bought myself another eyelash curler. And I'm glad I didn't. This one is so cute. Ooh, this is a Pure brand too. Yes, thank you, girl. And this is gorgeous. Look, this is like the iridescent colored one. Okay, I am so excited. Yay! I do love, because sometimes, like when you do use eyelash curlers, they do tend to get dirty pretty fast. So my Revlon's dirty. My one is dirty, so I do need to clean that up. But this one is really pretty. I'm wondering if you guys can see how, like, it's purple and then it's green. It's kind of hard to see. Very pretty. I love it. Thank you, girly. These were totally just sitting in here. These are the scrunchy jaw clips. And I'm going to have to get these because I don't have enough hair on my head in order to use clips like these. But they're super cute. Thank you so much, love, for those. And then this is number 24. It says, "You are magic." Let's see what's in here. No freaking way. Is this from? Okay, I'm very curious. It comes in this little bag. She got me a floating intention. I'm pretty sure this is from, yes it is. She got me a Floating Intentions. Oh my gosh, cute. This is a bracelet. This has a spider on it. How cute is that? Okay, so this is super freaking cute, guys. I'm trying to put it on myself and I can't get it on myself, but this is going to be cute to just kind of spice up a look. You know what I mean? I love it. Thank you so much, girly. And then last but not least is this right here. It says, did I save the best for last? No one knows. This brings our swap to its close. Wrapped in a tart paper. Ooh, and it is a Tarte palette. Okay, it's the Tarteist Pro palette. I'm wondering if, oh my gosh, this packaging is so freaking cute. Okay, and it's a Z palette. I was sitting there thinking, I was like, oh, I wonder if this is the Tarteist Pro palette. I've had the palette before, but I have been panning my eyeshadows, and this is going to be freaking perfect. Look, it comes with the best mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to put like my favorite shadows in here, and because this right here, this animal print is like so me. I've been loving animal print lately. This is the cutest. I didn't even know that they had Z palettes. This is going to be perfect when I do my makeup when Hunter, sorry guys, testing out a new lipstick and it's kind of all over my mouth. But when I do my makeup with Hunter, like when he likes to sit and do my hair and I do my makeup, I'm going to have to use this mirror because it's amazing, and then just have my specific blush and bronzer and highlight and stuff like that for the day. So this is amazing. Riri, you're amazing. Thank you so much. This concludes the advent calendar we made for each other. I love you. I really hope you enjoyed yours. You outdid yourself. We really set like a $1 to $3 limit, I think, and she definitely outdid herself. I love it. I really hope that we can do this next year. Next year, I'll make it a little bit more extravagant, you know what I mean? Yeah, definitely go check Riri out if you guys haven't. I will have her link down below. She's amazing. She's so sweet. She definitely deserves way more recognition. I really hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. I love you. And, excuse me. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.